You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
Guys, the main topic is champion has the story, but the legend, the worst one. Champion has the story, but the legend, the worst one.
Assalamu alaikum. Starting with the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is Rahman Rahim. And after that, I pay thanks my parents and my teacher and all of you, audience and judges, who give me such a golden opportunity. Today, my topic, which is that the champion has story, but the legend was worse one. You know that if I just talk about champion, each and every field, each and every step, and each and everything, there is a champion. But the legend, who they become, he passed each and every stubble. And when I talk about in my country or in the world, many guys, Fedor, another Muhammad Ali Clay, or many more, because they were the legend and everybody, they passed strong on their passes, but they have their worst one, but when they become, they were the legend. But today we talk, and this entire world, many guys, they have been speaking against them, but they not feel any hurdle, that what they are speaking, because they were the legend and they face it. But I want to say that today in the entire world, you mark yourself as a legend, you have to face all the trouble and not afraid from your trouble and not fear this thing, because if today you will fear this all the thing, tomorrow you will be crying, because today is the day if you mark yourself, then each and every step of your life you will be happy and you will shout yourself.
Guys, today I want to stand in front of the terrorist. So you know what I will get? I will get one bullet in my chest. So after, what would be my family? If this situation, if I talk about my family and my daughters, if I'm married, so my family, my daughters and my child, who they cry for me. Now what do you say? We should do like this. See, if I talk about everything which is having one time, for if you talk about before time, people were honest, people were who was good, people were giving chance. But if I talk about in this time, everybody, if a man comes in front of us, if he is good, so what we are doing? We are just castrating that man and we are just pulling him down. So for this situation, what you want to do? See, this situation on wise man says that sit quiet in your home. It is a big success for you. But you are the foolish man saying we should do something for these things. See, this nation did not give appreciate to Ayub Khan. How the hell they will appreciate you, man?
Today I will stand against any terrorist and then I will guard that bullet. So then see, these are all the soldiers who are serving your nation, and they were not passing with all the bullets, they were passing as Major Aziz Bhatti, the man said, don't recall me, I have to fight for my nation, today is the day and I should do it. As you said, should sit in our home and fight, it is more difficult than my Qaeda-Azam, Alam Iqbal, Satsema, and many more in this entire world, they were foolish to shout for their nation and to match this nation and allow them to fight for their earth, because they were the greatest and they are best of you.
Mr. Farooq, you are so calm and saying this, that, no, by giving blood and these all things, that my name will get name and fame in this world. Mr. Farooq, I say you, if we talk about 2015, today the man who does good, he would be castigated by every man. You took the name of Major Abdulaziz Bhatti. So Mr. Farooq, why don't you know? In this crowd, many would be there who would not know who is Major Abdulaziz Bhatti. So is it the appreciation of God, man? Gave life for this country, but did not get any of them. But I will appreciate to those who they sit their home, keep serving their family and keep giving food to their children and God good grave and God having fame with their family. So that is the life. You are not saying get bullet. So for this land, today getting bullet, I guess so. It's a foolishness, man.
The man man was fighting for his nation, there in the crowd or in the country, he did not get each and everything. But if I will say, many of the people, they are sitting in each and every heart, the name is there of Yufan, the name is there of Qaidism. It is not a good thing that in each heart, the name is being recalling. Up today I will say, each and every man who they praise because the legend did not become like that. They were given progress or either they were given prosperity, then they become legend. They face all the trouble and they face all the bad things and then they become legend. If they have their prosperity, nobody will become
Well, the man is saying that Ayub Khan means Qaid-e-Azam and these kind of people that they rewarded. We reward that a great thing from here. In this country, anybody is saying that Qaid-e-Azam is alive. No, but in this country, we are ready to say, we are ready to shout that Bhutto is alive. So that's the main thing and that's the main motivity. So this is the thing. Today, our students, today, our all peoples, what they gave nothing. And what they got nothing. Today, our all students, are they using their life, their studies according to a Qaid-e-Azam style? No, but they are using their life according to United States style. So what the hell you are saying that we are following Qaid-e-Azam? We are not following Qaid-e-Azam. We are just defaming the name of Qaid-e-Azam in the name of Pakistan. We are getting a harassment in the name of Pakistan. What is blaming, buddy? What the hell?
Are living in this country, then how it could possible this country will grow up? Because this country need a passionful guy, this country need a brave guy as Qaid-e-Azam and many more, because each and every nation they cannot get success even though their youth or even though their people are not sincere with their country. But your type people, they always against the name of America. They did not give support to your own people and that suit our country, they are going down and that suit in our country, nobody becomes success. So I want to say that in my topic or in the whole world of the people who they become or are the legend because they face all the trouble and their history was worse, but they mark themselves as agent and it is very difficult for each and every common man.